with a little table with like a picture of the family on it. You see?
I make myself look like one big shadow with my dick.
With your little, yeah. He doesn't notice you. You can look at it. Very, very lovely family. You got $2, 3 sons, an older man. The wife doesn't seem to be present.
So, what do I know about the Holy Family? Are they as bad as I make them out to be?
So generally, the general consensus in this country, at least, you probably have enough life experience to have your own opinion, obviously, but like they're pretty well adored. As a lot of this country is very zoological and religious. They believe they are basically the one way that this world is able to compete with gods and figure out, find their choices, and lead this country into great new eras, kind of deal. You know, and so you know that for the most part, like they're not a terrible family, they're not terrible people, like at least outward looking. But they do absolutely turn their back, them along with the chosen, on the more downtrodden and unfortunate people in the country.
Sonny, look at this family. It's time for another life lesson. A true loving must always see both sides to the story and flip both sides of the coin. But in this case, a gentleman also does what he must in spite of personal consequence. In spite of any obstacles or dangers. A gentleman must do what he believes.
Something went wrong.
And I believe this family
What the frick?
is holding the power for themselves, and the power should be given to all the people. Would you agree, Sonny?
Pause it, you a little bit, like, it licks your face, because you're down towards the ground.
You are my dearest friend. And now, we're going to keep the barracks.
You crawl out, and you head towards the barracks. Now, the barracks is like any other. There's a few bunk beds in here. It looks like they have these guards on employ. They live in a house, so they're living guards. 6 bunk beds and a small little kitchen that they all seem to share. There's a little bowl full of noodles, a little bit of cheese, half empty. This seems like somebody hurried out due to the news, and you're gonna look for a key.
Yeah, I'll look for a key. Do I hear anyone around?
You look around, and there's nobody in the barracks currently. I'd like you to roll a perception check quickly.
19, maybe 22.
Oh, damn. Okay.
That's
And
a good
you
idea.
stick around. you're fucking knocking out the part of the rolls. I've got the opposite effect going.
I saw it, but I can't see anymore, but I saw it.
Yeah. And you look around, and you see one bed that's kind of like hastily made. There's a little coat there, and in the pocket, just hanging out a tiny bit loose, is a little ring of keys.
As soon as I see these keys,
You slowly approach up to this coat, and you reach into the pocket, and out of them you pull this ring of keys. And behind you, you hear the door hastily opening. What do you do?
Shit, what I do?
I dive into the bed. Oh, no, I dive into the bed, right after I'm still sleeping. I put the covers over me and I start swimming. I hook on to Sonny.
No, I need the keys. Hey, wake up, hey! Hey!
Oh, I have the plague, soldier. Don't touch me. Soldier, you touch me, you're gonna catch it. I came under it just now.
Sir, are you okay?
Poisoned by the apples in the barrel, the wine in the cellar. Don't drink the wine, soldier, you'll be shitting for days.
Sir, okay, let's bring home, but why are you in my bed?
I picked the closest one. As soon as I got out of the bathroom, I fell. Soldier, can I borrow it? I'm so sorry, I can't move. I'm paralyzed. Soldier, my kidneys rupturing. Soldier, my liver. Soldier, my liver. Putting on a completely different voice like that.
I rolled that to everybody this time. These are rolling so bad.
Yeah, you don't roll deception. There's no way.
Yeah, roll deception.
My section.
I'm so sorry, listen,
Just let me leave for work, soldier, please.
listen, there's a thief around here. You see my keys?
Soldier, the only thing I've seen in these recent hours is death itself. Death is trying to take me, soldier.
Okay, we'll look for him later. If you feel better, come to the dining room.
Go get him, soldier. I trust you with my life.
So yes, sir, he just usually runs. There's no reason that should have worked for the rolls.